Hello everyone. I moved to London 5 months ago and I haven't gone shopping. So I thought today was the perfect day to change that. Let's go.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really picked me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise
London is home to some amazing shopping from all major brands having their stores in the city. There's options for high end to high street for all budgets. The catch is, you just gotta go find it. However, it can get overwhelming real quick with the amount of choice that you have, so I've decided to play it safe and go to Westfield in West London. Fun fact, this is the largest mall in the UK and even Europe. Well, mostly because Europe is cramped and there's no space to have large places.
Guys, this mall is huge. I thought कि ये overwhelming नहीं होगा, but honestly, there are just too many options here as well. I am meeting Kunzul, who is going to be my guide in deciding what I want to get and what I don't want to get, because I don't think in the time that I have, I will be able to see the whole mall. I don't think so.
First, I went into Next and I think they had very recently priced outfits. बहुत ही trendy, cute pieces थे. Then I checked out a couple of choti brands which I'd never heard of, and I'd say choti brands, but I mean, come on. Also, that mango ice cream was dope. Then I went into H&M because मैंने online H&M की collection देखी थी and I was obsessed. So obviously, I tried stuff on before buying it. Love that sweater, but I was unsure about the bows. Bows are really trendy. This sweater was so nice, but it was £60, so I just couldn't justify that. It was too much. Then we found some really cute stores that we just, hung out around, and River Island also was one of the stores that I really liked the clothes in. Then we went into Sephora, checked out a couple of things, but then we decided we're gonna buy everything from Space and Cave. Then I was really excited to go to Primark because मैंने सुना है कि वहाँ पे बहुत मज़े की चीज़ें होती हैं for a very good price, so that's where we're going next. London में halal food का मसला बिल्कुल नहीं होता है, so Westfield was no exception. There were a lot of Lebanese and Indian restaurants offering halal food. Other than that, they had like a lot of Asian food as well, like chopsticks वगैरह जो कि आपको halal मिल जाता है. So we had a little bit of lunch before heading back home.
Guys, this drink is tangerine and orange and lemon, and it is one of the best drinks I've ever had. So good. This is a wrap, a chicken wrap. So good. I am back home from the mall. It was very overwhelming, but it was a lot of fun. I think I had a great time. It was mostly shop till you drop, which I think I did. Some stuff from like multiple brands. I do want to say H&M had really trendy pieces, like fast fashion ke lihaz se, some really spot on pieces for really good prices. I'm going to do a haul, trying everything on and basically showing you and how I'm going to style it.
Hello! So if you've made it this far, this is me trying on and showing you everything जो मैंने खरीदी मॉल से. जब ठंड थोड़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगी, we're probably gonna have to get something warmer. So let's go and show you. I want to start off with Primark and the stuff that I got for Aliyan, because obviously वो हम try on नहीं करेंगे. So I'm just gonna show that to you. Look at how cute this two-piece is. A knit two-piece, और मैंने ये 2 से 3 साल के बच्चे के लिए लिया है, so it's definitely a little big on him, but that's okay because winter is here to stay. Okay, next we have this sweater again for Aliyan, and I love it, guys. I am having a moment with these stripy things. I feel like har jagah hai, so that means it's super on trend right now. Can't wait to dress my baby up. Then from Primark मैंने ये leggings ली. These are the velvet plush leggings, and basically इसके अंदर fleece lining है, so like for very cold winter days this is perfect. By the way, मैं कहना भूल गई, welcome to my bedroom. I don't think कि मैंने पहले कभी यहाँ पे film किया है, so मेरी रिंग उड़ती भी गई है, so take, guys, you're not ready for this. Look, oh wow, they haven't even taken this off, and I'm gonna have to cut this to try it on. But look at these boots. Okay, first things first, I got these in the kids section क्योंकि मेरा size जो है वो है a UK size 3. So this is a size 36. I fit a size 35 and a 36. I bought a size, मैंने दोनों try on किए थे, but this was like a better fit, and this is a UK 3, which is a European 36 or a size 6. तो I am really excited. I think ये बहुत चीज़ों के साथ चलेंगे. Also, the best thing about these shoes were they were only 14 pounds. Wow. Primark is like the place to get cheap stuff. Even if they last me like 6 months, I'm okay with that. Because I know कि ये उस तरह के boots हैं that are just gonna last me a lot, and I'm not gonna worry about कि oh my god मेरे महंगे boots खराब हो जाएंगे. Like these are those boots, like everyday boots that अगर खराब भी होते हैं, no problem, because they're not that expensive. I think that is it for Primark. Let's move to H&M because I did get quite a few things from H&M. I got this t-shirt which says the Rolling Stones. Actually, I want to try it on and I want to style it. Let's do that. This is how I would style this t-shirt. I know plain t-shirt, you can totally style this with jeans, like a plain jeans, but I've just want this skirt, and skirts are having a moment. They're so in, especially like satin silk skirts, and plain skirts are also in. This white bag would be perfect, like a casual look. मैंने इसके साथ slides पहने हैं, but I know कि क्योंकि बाहर सर्दी है, especially if you live in a place जहाँ पे सर्दी थोड़ी जल्दी आ जाती है, then you can just wear sneakers or trainers, as people like to call it here. You can just wear that. And so yeah, this is how I would wear this outfit. I'm trying to get the t-shirts out of the way first so that we can move on to the fun stuff. This is like a plain black t-shirt, and let me show you how I would style this. Guys, okay, I swear मैं इस shirt को differently style करने वाली थी, मगर मैंने ये skirt देखी and I was like, we need to style it with this skirt. And I'm wearing this with like pumpy heels. Honestly, ये मैंने ली थी Vivaya se, and this was really popular on Instagram. Like these shoes, they look beautiful. They're like Chanel boots ke inspired. They were not cheap, by the way. I think ek jo heel thi, this was I think 80-90 pounds. I mean, yeah, compared to Chanel, they were obviously cheaper, but like 80-90 pounds for shoes is not as like cheap. The reason I'm talking about this is that they're not very comfortable. मुझे ना ये जो pointed toe heels वाले shoes हैं, like ballet flats and pumps, I just find them so uncomfortable. I know unpopular opinion है ये, because I know इतने सारे लोगों को ये बहुत पसंद है, and I love the fact कि इसकी heel comfy है, but my goodness, it literally मेरे पाँव को ना आगे से दबा देता है. I love how this looks, and by the way, leopard print is having a moment. It's coming back, and I think इसके साथ एक pop of color looks wonderful. Like मैंने अपना necklace थोड़ा सा match करने की कोशिश की है. ये blazer के साथ भी काफी अच्छा लगेगा. Let's try it. Yeah, this with the blazer is beautiful. Look at that. I love it. Next top can be worn in a multiple of ways. This is supposed to be like an off-shoulder sweater. You can either wear it like this, like जिस तरह से उन्होंने style किया हुआ था ना, it was really cool. Like you just basically have to create something like this. इस तरह से भी उसकी neck रख सकते हैं. You can take it all the way down. You can like basically style it in a multiple ways. बहुत soft है. I think it's a very cozy sweater, and आप इसको किस तरह से A black top is a classic always, तो आप obviously कुछ भी पहन सकते हैं ऊपर, but I think this top is beautiful on its own as well. अगर for example मैं ऐसे ही पहनूँ, and if I just pair it with a maroon bag, it's lovely. Now we're to wear it out. Next outfit. Next outfit is a bit out there, not gonna lie. ये top जो है leather top, got from H&M. Loved the color, tried it on, really liked it, and I've styled it with a skirt, but I think this is not everybody's cup of tea. अगर जहाँ तक मैं अपनी audience को जानती हूँ, some of you might love this look and some of you might not. So this is the look, and I think हम इस bag के साथ इसको काफी अच्छा pair कर सकते हैं. Obviously this is a bit matchy with the top. Guys, scratch that. I think this skirt is the winner. ये मैंने एक और outfit के साथ ली. I love it. And maybe this with a coat on top. Oh, that would look so nice. Now that I'm already wearing the skirt, let me talk about the other outfit, which is ये मैंने ना as a 2-piece खरीदा. This is from Next and I'm gonna obviously try it on with another shirt inside. Try it on and show you. It has to be my favorite outfit. This is the 2-piece जो कि मैंने लिया था. This wasn't sold together, ये separately था. But I saw them and I saw these 2 pieces and I was like, this is giving Chanel vibes. And I absolutely love it. इसको आप zip भी कर सकते हैं पूरा, so like you can make it into like a proper. Look at that. This bag. This is from Fossil. ये नया मैंने अभी तक इसको इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है. But for a pop of color, this bag would be perfect. Obviously आप इस पे black, white bags use कर ही सकते हैं. But I think a pop of color would look so good. So look, I love it. The reason why I went to the mall was to get a raincoat, and I found a raincoat. मुझे online दिख रहे थे, but I just wasn't sure which one to get because मुझे एक petite का चाहिए, petite girls के लिए, because obviously I'm short and some of them were super long. तो एक brand जो कि कुंजुल ने मुझे recommend की, who I went shopping with, said Reserved is really nice and their quality is really good. So I went to Reserved. And I am obsessed, guys. This raincoat, you're not even ready for this. इतना ज़बरदस्त इसकी fitting है ना, like it is actually for short people. मैंने कभी भी इस brand के बारे में पहले सुना नहीं था, honestly. There you go, it's on. Looks lovely. इसका जो material है, it is water resistant. I wouldn't say like it's completely waterproof. It's water resistant. इसका material है, but I know कि मैं गीली नहीं होंगी if I'm wearing this. And I love the length. It's perfect. I think मेरे हिसाब से ये length बिल्कुल is exactly where I want my raincoat to end. ये भी पूरा बंद कर सकते हैं if you wanted to. Like there is a button here, and this also looks really, really smart. So yeah, I loved this raincoat. I move on to the final dress. It's from River Island. I posted this on my stories and इतने सारे लोगों ने पूछा where is this outfit from, so I'm gonna change it to that and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Okay, this is the final outfit. This is from River Island and I love it. ये 2-piece है but it comes together. So you have like this long maxi dress और उसके ऊपर ये एक छोटा सा camisole sort of sweater है, high neck top, fits really nice. I love the color. ये एक cream color में भी था, which I also wanted to get, but I mean come on. I've just styled it with these shoes. Probably won't wear it with these shoes. Maybe with boots or sneakers as well. Maybe like वो जो flats होते हैं, which I need to get the square toed flats, not the round toed flats. And yeah, oh, I would pair it with this bag. I think this with a bag, like especially this one, would look so nice. और अगर हम इसके साथ एक coat पहने, like a fawn coat would look really nice. Oh, a burgundy coat would look really, really nice. So yeah, I'm all about the color. Absolutely love this outfit. It is so soft. मतलब इसकी quality really, really good. We liked it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this kind of content because I love filming it. और अगर आप लोगों को पसंद है तो फिर definitely और इस तरह की videos बनाएंगे. For winter styling, it's my favorite season for clothes. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye. Love this.